Hello YouTube, this is the unboxing of the Aries Netbook Cooler by Akasa. This seems to be a really budget-oriented product that is still elegant since it has an aluminum body and an integrated low-profile fan below some air vent holes to cool your netbook. So let's open this box and check out this cooling base. This is the silver variation. One can find also a black one as an alternative color to match your notebook, and I guess we can open it here somehow. Okay, this seems to be a little bit slippery, but I guess we can pry it open. The cost of this base was really low, and I guess it's a really value for money cooling base, given that this is an aluminum body that seems like an Apple product of some sort. And okay, let's just tear it apart. This is a really persistent packaging, I must say. I guess presentation is everything, but in this case it's really not practical. But okay, we'll open it like it's so and then cut it out here. This is a really thick plastic here, but cutting it all the way will just do the trick. Just a little bit more here. And okay, sorry about that, but this seems to be my least favorite packaging I've opened for a while. So here it is. Let's just move aside the packaging, and this certainly left some residue. Make sure to have a pair of scissors nearby to open this box. Now, it doesn't seem to have any user's manual, but it's straightforward what it is. You can have all the important information here on the cardboard cover. Now let's check the cooling pad. It is lightweight, but it's still metallic. We also have all the way down there this rubber pad that it seems somewhat stretched on the aluminum edge, and this seems really slippery, so I guess they will be easily lost, especially if you use this as a portable pad. But seems here it has a really quiet fan in the center of the pad with these 4 rubberized feet, and here we have the USB port to power the fan. The cable seems kind of short, but I guess it'd be just enough to connect with your netbook. So overall, this was the unboxing of the Akasa Aries Netbook Cooling Pad. Feel free to subscribe, like, and as always, I'll see you the next one.